Hello, I am Abhishek Sood from Brainvibe. What if I tell you your 500 and 2000 notes will not be valid from midnight? What will be your reaction? Angry, right? Yes, for this reason, a currency was made so that no financial institution, no government can interrupt in your money. And that currency is called cryptocurrency. Let's talk about it. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Cryptocurrency is same as US dollar or Indian rupee, but US dollar is controlled by US Federal Reserve System. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee is controlled by Reserve Bank of India. But cryptocurrency is controlled by no one. It is the main and biggest feature of cryptocurrency. That is, it is controlled by no one. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. It was created as an alternate financial system. This is what cryptocurrency is in very simple words. It is same as a note or coin in your pocket right now, but in digital form. Let us know how cryptocurrencies actually work. Let's understand from very basic. For example, Bitcoin. For each Bitcoin transaction, there is a ledger which is shared by all the computers which are part of this. People who operate these computers are called miners. Now, these miners confirm the transaction by solving a mathematical equation. Now, we all have solved the mathematical equation in our junior classes. We remember one term, that is variable. Now, this is a very strong relation with Bitcoin, that each Bitcoin has a different variable, and the job of miners is to search for that variables. Now, this equation is not so easy that it can be solved by a human being or by a normal computer. This requires very specialized supercomputers to solve these equations. And when miners solve these equations, in return what they get? They get the most valuable thing, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, once the equation is solved, the computers in the network, they confirm the transaction, and then transaction is added to the chain. The block of transaction is created, and this technology is called the blockchain. Let us understand the use of cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies was made as an alternate payment system, but people started investing in it. What pushed people to invest in Bitcoin? So that it gave returns like 100%, 200%. So let us compare this with gold. Gold is also an exchangeable payment method, but carrying it in our pockets and then taking it to the local market and exchanging it for some goods, this becomes a very tedious job. Similarly, what we do, we buy gold, keep it in locker, and just expect returns. Similarly, people thought the same in Bitcoin and started investing, and it gave mind-blowing returns in past years, past months, especially after lockdown. But people who don't like Bitcoin as investment, the main reason for their investment is when you have a bundle of notes, you can touch it. When you buy a property of that, you can touch it. When you buy gold, you can see it, you can touch it. But when you buy a Bitcoin, you can't touch it. And this is the main reason for the people to hate Bitcoin as an investment. Is cryptocurrency our future? Let's find out. Cryptocurrencies has a very major technical drawback, that it requires 10 to 15 minutes to verify a transaction. Now, this time is very much if we compare it with local transactions. But what if we compare it with foreign transactions? This time is very low. Meanwhile, the banks take 1 to 2 days to verify these transactions and charge heavy fees on these. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin doesn't charge any fees and does these transactions in 10 to 15 minutes. That's why maximum of banks and financial institutions were always against it. In fact, Reserve Bank of India, India's bank, imposed a currency ban on these Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies till 2020 March. Before 2020, people were not allowed to trade in cryptocurrencies in Indian rupees. But after this, when Supreme Court told RBI to lift up this ban, the people were allowed to trade in cryptocurrencies in Indian rupees too. Now these cryptocurrencies have negative points too. The main point is the transaction can't be traced. Like people on dark web used to ask cryptocurrencies in return of drugs, weapons, terrorism. Now the police and research agencies were not able to track these transactions and were not able to find this culprit. This was the major drawback of cryptocurrency. What do you think? Is cryptocurrency a future? Do tell us. Thanks for watching this video.